Hey, so we're continuing our series on showcasing features of the RingPlan app. And the next one I want to show you is the RingPlan Meet button. That's located under More, RingPlan Meet. And we've got an integration. This is our voice app, but we've got an integration with RingPlan Meet. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull up your meetings that you have in your list, and you can kind of go through and see which ones are scheduled in the future and which ones are scheduled in the past. Um, if you click on one of them, you can see who all the people were that attended that meeting. You could also try to go and join that meeting from here, although it's past, so I wouldn't be able to. Showing info kind of gives you the info about the meeting. I can delete that meeting, or I can copy the meeting link. And then other things I can do too, I can start a new meeting right now. And that's actually going to pop up in my meeting app, separate meeting app, the RingPlan Meet. I can join an existing meeting. I would just have to put that RingPlan Meet meeting ID in there, or I can schedule a meeting. Scheduling is kind of how you would think. You would go in here and pick the date you wanted to do it and the time. Let's go 10 o'clock. I'm just going to invite my personal Gmail account and hit schedule. And so that would actually do the scheduled meeting, and you would be able to join that meeting when the time comes, or whatever you want to do. And there's my test meeting. Please delete. So that is how you use the RingPlan Meet integration inside the RingPlan Voice app. All right, now it's your turn.